The Nike Air Force 1 continues to evolve, with new styles and creative takes keeping the classic silhouette fresh. While Nike has been focusing on limiting staple releases, fans still have plenty of options, from athlete-inspired versions honoring Kobe Bryant and Morant to nostalgic returns like the patent leather Uptowns from the 2000s. Now, a new variation is making waves, the Nike Air Force 1 Low Paisley Baroque Brown. Building on the previous Suede Paisley edition, this pair features the same detailed hardware, including embossed teardrops and stars, but this time fully dressed in a rich Baroque brown suede. The luxurious Paisley pattern gives it a refined, premium look that stands out while keeping the Air Force 1's signature style intact. Sneakerheads can expect this release as part of Nike's Spring 2026 lineup, hitting Nike.com and select retailers. Pricing has yet to be announced, but it's shaping up to be a must-have for fans of the iconic silhouette.